everyone, Crafty YouTubers United are doing yet another collaboration. This time we're doing an autumn theme. So here's the plan. Coming up down the side of the screen here for you will be all the information you need to join the collaboration. So if you've got a YouTube channel and you fancy joining in, then follow these instructions. It'll go live on the 7th of September and I need you to email me a link during the couple of days before that. Now, if you set that video up to run as a premiere, even if you're not going to be doing live chat and all that sort of thing, if you set it up as a premiere, that does mean that I'll be able to add the link sooner rather than later, because YouTube will know it's there and it will be linkable. So I can get the playlist all put together in advance so that we can all get some publicity out there. If you'd share it all, tell all your friends about it, tell other YouTubers with craft channels of any sort all about it so that they can join in as well. That would be marvellous. And of course you'll be able to see the playlist grow. It'll start to build up the suspense and the excitement for everybody who wants to then go and binge watch all of our videos. The idea is that this will open up extra audiences for us and also give those audiences a great deal of fun watching all of our videos. So send me your links. All the information is here. My email address. I will also put all of this into the video description for you. And if you watch until the end of this video, then I will put an end screen which will have all of that information on it again for you as well. Now, please do remember, if your video goes live before the 7th of September, then there's a good chance I won't be putting it onto the playlist. We need them all to go live on the 7th of September. And the reason for that is how we will all, as contributors to this collaboration, get the best benefit out of it. Any that have already gone live will just dilute the impact of them all going live on that day. So if your video's actually gone live before the 7th of September, I probably won't be able to link it up for you. Now, having said that, if anybody's running a little bit behind and ends up sending me the link on the 8th or the 9th, I'm more than happy to still add them in for you. The drawback for you, of course, is that you won't get that big impact of bam on the first day in quite the same way that you would have done had you managed to get it to me by the 7th. So what I need you to do is get the link to me, set up, ready to go live so you can schedule it, preferably schedule it as a premiere so that I can get it put into the playlist ready rather than have to wait till it actually goes live and then add it in. Do you see what I'm talking about? If not, please put something in the comments below if you need me to clarify anything. More than happy to take all your questions. Now, people who've joined in with previous collaborations, you'll remember back maybe to the ones that were organised by Claire's Crafty Corner, and then the more recent ones that since I've taken over organising it with my friends of Crafty YouTubers United. We've all found that we've got more subscribers, more views, more watch hours from it. So do join in. And it doesn't matter whether it's your first video and you're thinking, oh, it's not that good. Doesn't matter. We had a load of first timers join in last time and they had great fun with it and it really gave them a boost. If you're a seasoned pro at this and you've got hundreds of thousands of subscribers, absolutely we would love to have you on board, because that will help to support the other YouTube crafters as well. And yeah, join in with the fun. You're never too big to have fun, I think. So get in touch. You've got my email address. It is down in the video description. I've had it going across the bottom of the screen here as well. So do drop me a line if you've got any questions or are wanting to join in and need anything clarifying. Or, as I said, pop it down in the video comments down below here. All of the information is in the video description and at the end of this video. So watch on and make some notes and let me know what your thoughts are. We will be doing another one in another month or so's time, and that will be in the build to Halloween. And then, of course, we'll do a Christmas one, and then I guess that takes us through until spring when we will be doing one for Valentine's Day. So we will keep them going. Take care, everyone. Happy crafting, and I look forward to hearing from you and to getting all of your links come through for this lovely autumn collaboration. Bye!